Welcome to Alpha Motors in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 21 plate Vauxhall Vivaro L2 long wheelbase. The van itself is finished in White Jade paintwork, and I must say it is in really tip-top condition. It's been really looked after, this van, by the previous owner. But taking a closer look at the front of the van, it's got the plastic front bumper with front fog lights, you've got your chrome in your centre grille, and you've got daytime running lights. But taking a closer look, it really is in superb condition. Coming then down the passenger side, it's free from any dents, scrapes, any nasty inward dents or outward dents from things that have been in the back and popped the side panels out. They are really in good order. Looking at the wheels then, they're a 16-inch wheel with these lovely Vauxhall wheel trims on, and these are in fantastic condition all round with really good tyres all round. But again, yeah, taking a closer look down the side, you can see it really is in A1 condition. Coming through to the rear and taking a closer look at the back bumper, you can see it's got rear parking sensors, which is a lovely feature to have on this van. But again, looking at the back doors, it's free from any dents, scrapes or even chips on any of the door edges here. These are all in tip-top condition. Again, opening the back doors, we'll show you through to the inside. So it's ply lined to the rear, you get a little storage bag there. But again, minimal use to the back. There's been no real heavy use in the back of the van. Looking at the back doors, they're all in good order. And again, looking at the passenger side back door, they're all in good order as well. And again, looking back into it, you've got lighting inside, and you've got a metal steel bulkhead with twin side loading doors, which is another nice feature to have. Again, looking down the passenger side of the vehicle, it's free again from any dents, bumper corners, scuffs, anything majorly. And then again, looking at the alloys, the steel wheel, should I say, again the wheel trims are all in fantastic condition, and looking at the door edges, they're all in good order as well. And taking a look at the front passenger wheel trim, that is in lovely order as well. But again, opening the passenger side loading door, you can see the metal bulkhead is in really good condition. All the plastic trims there in good order, and again the little storage bag there. Moving on to inside now, we'll take a closer look inside of the vehicle. So when you open the doors on the van, you're greeted with this lovely half leather and cloth interior, which is free from any rips, tears, and it really is in good order. Looking at the plastic floors, they're all in good order with many scrapes not visible. Again, looking at some features, you've got electric windows, electric mirrors. And jumping inside out from the elements today, you can see it. Looking at the passenger seats, it is in all in really lovely order. And if we lift the seats up with this lever here, you get your under seat storage and a bit more storage underneath the passenger seat there. As we open the glove box, boot pack is present with service book, and again under there you've got your passenger airbag on and off, bit of extra storage and a 12-volt charger. But as we do the video today, the van has only covered 33,622 miles, which is nothing for one of these. Again, now taking a look at the steering wheel, it is in really good order, free from any brick dust, anything like that. It has really had a very light usage. Couple of features then with the van, you've got auto lights, front and rear fog lights. Coming down to here, you've got cruise control and speed limiter, and then moving over here, you've got auto wipers and the start to control the radio. And as we're doing the video today, both keys are present with the van. Coming through to the radio, and then you've got Bluetooth connection, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Pressing this here, you can upload photos to the radio. Then you've got your settings for your system configuration. Radio, which is a full DAB, so you get all the extended channels. And then if we press this car icon here, you've got the stop start, rear park sensors, which if we engage reverse, brings up the little screen there, and then a radar comes to the back of the van here when you get closer. And then you've got traction control. Moving down to here, you've got your heated wing mirrors, climate control, which is altered here, air conditioning, and then your fan motor, and then again here another 12-volt power outlet, a USB input, and then your locking of the rear doors and all of the doors. and it's powered through a lovely 6-speed manual transmission, which, looking at the top of the gear stick again, has had very minimal wear and it is in lovely order and condition. But no, a really nice van. If we look at take a note of the passenger floor, they're all in good order as well. But it really is an outstanding credit to the former keeper of this van. So if you'd like any further questions on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231123 or email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, and we look forward to your inquiry. Thanks for watching.